Today we're making vegan Caesar salad dressing. Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making a vegan Caesar salad dressing. This dressing is so good. So hop on board and let's get cooking. We take 1/4 cup of raw cashews, which we soak for 4 hours, and then we drain and rinse. Add them, and then we add 2 tablespoons of cooked chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of aquafaba, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire or vegan Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of capers plus caper liquid, 1/2 a teaspoon of nutritional yeast, 1/2 a teaspoon of dried mustard, 1/2 a teaspoon of salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Put the lid on and process it for 3 to 5 minutes, scraping down sides as needed. Process until smooth and creamy. So if you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes.